Today we're going to replace the O-rings that can be worn out after years of use, but they're really simple to replace. So all you have to do, unscrew the nozzle, and you'll see the two O-rings here and here that need to be replaced occasionally. And to take them off, I'm using a small screwdriver. Plastic would be better, but you just take get a grip on the washer, and they're kind of tight sometimes, so it's a little hard, but once you get them off, then they'll peel off. Put that one aside for the new one, and do the same thing with this O-ring here. It has to come off. Again, just put a little bit of pressure on it, doesn't take much, pry it off. And there's the two O-rings. Now then, get your new O-rings, put the big one on first, and it just rolls into place. There's the first one, and it'll snap in pretty tight. And then the small one goes on again. And if you press, just kind of work your way around. You have to hold one piece of it in and then just work it, feed it all the way around, and it'll snap into place once it gets there. Then you put the nozzle back together, screw it on, and you're ready to go.